Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this 2D design for the beginner. See, I just show 2D design. See, here is outer diameter 70 millimeter and inner one 50 millimeter, and arc radius 542 millimeter. See, and this circle to origin circle distance 70 millimeter. See, and in here 24 millimeter and inner one 15 millimeter. See, and four pattern. Let's try to make this. First I take new interface and then I choose front plane in this case. Okay, now I choose two center line, horizontal and vertical, and two also. See, first is horizontal and second is vertical geometric center line, and horizontal is line. Need to geometry this construction geometry. First click this line and make sure construction geometry. See, now it's converted in construction geometry, and then I select four circle. One, two, three, four. See, here is four circle. Let's define its biggest circle diameter. See, 70 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 50 millimeter. And this here outer diameter 24 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 15 millimeter. Horizontal to this point distance 70 millimeter. Okay, now I choose the okay 3-point arc. First, okay, need to transcend this point. First click this arc and hold Ctrl key to this circle and make sure it's tangent. So now it's tangent relation, and here also first click this and bigger diameter relation is tangent. Okay, now it's tangent. Then I cut this unexpected portion. First choose a trim entities and power trim and click the mouse left key and drag. It's cutted, and also this. Okay, let's define this arc. Smart dimension. Here radius is 545 millimeter. Okay, now our design is still under define, let's define. Okay, first click this point and to this point, make sure it's horizontal. This, see, I need to mirror this arc. First choose mirror option. Here mirror entities, mirror about, mirror from center. First choose this arc and mirror about and mirror from center line. Okay. Now I choose pattern because this shape need to four shape. First I choose sketch and here linear circle pattern. Choose this first circular sketch pattern. Click this all circle. Need to 4 automatically it's converted in 4 because here is mentioned 4 pattern. Let's click. Okay. See, our design is completely okay. It's fully defined. If you want, you can make this 3D. See, very simple design. Thanks for watching.